Are you constantly wrestling with PC and network problems that obstruct your productivity? Are you all too familiar with the annoyance that comes with slow internet speeds, random system crashes, and those pesky error messages that always seem to pop up at the worst possible moments? It's high time you said goodbye to these technical headaches and embraced a future of hassle-free computing. Picture this: you're in the thick of an important project, or you're settling in to stream the latest episode of your favorite show, when suddenly your computer freezes. You're left staring at an unresponsive screen. The frustration of these moments, the precious time lost to troubleshooting, it can all be overwhelming, particularly if you're not exactly a whiz with tech. Don't let these issues continue to stand in the way of your goals. Welcome to our PC and network support service, conveniently located in West LA. We understand the frustrations that come with tech glitches, and our team of experts is on hand to provide the ultimate solution. Whether you're dealing with a sluggish computer, network connectivity issues, software installation conundrums, or the need for virus removal, we have the knowledge and experience to tackle any technical challenge.